She's burying something over there. What's in that corner? What is she burying?
Well, she's looking for something she remembered. She's got something.
Yeah, there's definitely something in
I
there.
remember when I put this in there. She's trying to push it with her nose.
I know. She's burying it deeper. What's in there?
Oh, that's true.
We're gonna have to find out. She's going to town on it.
Yep, it's better than dirt.
Good girl. Oh,
Oh.
she remembers when there used to be
Pushed it all the
something
way
back
through
there.
here. Well, it's better than doing that in the dirt.
Anything in that corner? Burying it deeper. Oh, what is it?
She got it.
What you
whatever it was.
got?
Hey, can we see it?
Puddy? What is that?
Hey, can we see it? Hi, buddy. What's in your mouth? Can I see that? What do you have? Can I see it? Buddy, can I see it? Hi. What's in your mouth? Can I see it? Good girl. Good girl. Can I see what you got? Nope.
No, it's messed up of you.
Oh, it's messed up of her not to let me see it.
She thinks you're taking it.
Oh no, she's gonna bury it outside. Oh boy.
At least when she buries it, we can see what it is.
Oh, she's digging the hole right now.
Think it's a bully stick, Chip?
I don't know. She's putting it in there. Oh no, she's rubbing it with her nose to bury
Her
it.
nose has been dirty, or was dirty the last couple days.
Putty. Jeez. She breathed on it and you see the dust fly.
She should have left it over here in this.
Oh, Putty. Putty, Putty, Putty. Oh my goodness. This is a secret ritual that we're interfering with. Come back in.
She has it?
Hi, Putty. How's it going out there? Hey, Putty. Putty, let me see your nose.
It's gone.
Putty, sit. Oh, I saw her put it in there. I just want to show her nose. Look at your nose. Hey, did you hide it somewhere so nobody could see it? Going in for more? All right. All right, have fun.
Is it?